absolute kill grinder. You never know what I'm gonna do.
No.
Yeah. So, wood. Kill. Why you need to use helicopter, bro? Why you need to use helicopter? Who the hell reloads and who the hell flamethrower?
You see the flame, you see the temperature.
Why you gonna do that? I'm gonna shout as hell. Sauce! Thirteen kills. Too many cameras. Come on. Who the hell used those cameras? I believe I can fly. It's a 2v1. It is the online 2v1. Oof. I die, I give the oof sound effect. Medkit, bro, medkit. Oof. Yeah, revenge, bro took revenge. Let's see. Oof. Someone dies by me. The sound effect. I died. Oof. Okay, fine. I need the perfect timing. Let's use hacks. Bro. No, it's fine. Let me use the technique. With the portal, take that piece, put it over there. Yeah. Go inside the portal and you're here. Ooh. Revenge. Taken. It's a sandbox fighting game, yeah. I will tell the game name at 100 subscribers. Solar energy. Oh my. Ooh. Guys, tell me the meaning of assist in the comments. I don't know the meaning of assist. Just tell me. Ooh. This was that. Let's use the portal. He's dead. Ooh! Ooh! What? Bazooka! I'm gonna kill you. I'll kill you with my bazooka. Hey, bro, just kill it.
आपके कमरे
Sir,
में टीवी नहीं
what
है,
is-
चिंता मत
let's
करो।
check the air.
यह एप्लीकेशन आपके
Now. You are sus. You are sus. Bye guys. You are sus.